Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to install the amps. Okay, let's go to our browser. We should input amps.com. Okay, so here's the amps. So we're going to click this download amps. Okay, so now I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click here the Windows amps for Windows right there. Okay, so I already downloaded the amps, so let's just install it. Okay, here it is. Okay, then click enter. Sorry, it may take a while because my desktop computer is so laggy. Okay, here it is. And next, click the accept the agreement. And then next, so this okay. Okay, next, install. So it takes a lot of time to install. I'm just going to skip it. Okay, then okay, it's already installed. Okay, let's just wait for a while. Okay, let's just accept and then install. Oh, okay, I already installed Microsoft Visual. Okay, finish. It may take a while to show. Okay, so it's just going to allow access for the Apache. Okay, let's just turn on the MySQL, then allow access. Okay, let's close it. Okay, okay, we're going to find the amps folder in our local disk C. So program files, amps, then the www folder. Let's just just go to CMD and code space dot and enter. May take a while. Okay, here it is. So it's default the index.php. So yeah, we already installed the amps. Okay. Hello. So this time I'm going to show you to input a simple store application or some storing data. So here we'll go to our amps folder, C, program files, amps, and then www. Okay, so let's make a folder. Okay, no, so sorry. Okay, here, so I'm going to name it sample. Okay, it's okay. No, I prefer small letter. Okay, so inside the sample I'm going to create another folder. Okay, I'm going to name it create read. So I'm going to show you only how to create data, store data, and retrieve or to show data that is inputted. So, okay, create and read. I will not going to show you anymore the update and delete in a CRUD, CRUD something like that. Okay, so here, okay, I'm going to click here, CMD, and to go to our VS. Okay, so we're here in the create read. Okay, new file, so I'm going to name it index.php. Okay, this is it. So going to start HTML. Okay, I'm going to name this simple data store. Okay, so in here I will going to use Bootstrap for a interactive or attractive display for the for our simple interface of our system. Okay, let's go to the browser, Bootstrap. Okay, versions. So I'm going to use the version 4. Okay, let's copy this JS. Copy, go back to here. And then also the CSS. Okay, so that's it. And okay, so let's start with the form name. Okay, and then enter your next input. Okay, input another, so I'm going to name this. Okay, so let's name it address, then folder, and then the button type submit. Name is same. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so we'll put labels on them. Label, no, just ignore this. Label for name. Okay, label address. Okay. Okay, so we're going to okay, forgot to save this. Save to localhost. No. Sample create read the name of the file, so index.php. Okay, so that's it. Okay, the name. So let's go back to the VS Code. Okay, in order for it to be interactive, or no, I mean attractive, so it would be, it would look good. So going to put here div. So yes, div. No, to put div here. Name of the class. Okay. Bro, I'm just going to copy the like default default command. I don't know if I'm right. No, it's not default. Justify content center. So it's just a default command for the bootstrap to work. Okay, let's put it here, and then going to input also div each of the input boxes. So the name is form group. Okay, form group here. Also here, I'm just going to copy it. Copy, paste, and then copy and paste. Okay, also for the button. Okay, so save it. Let's see. Okay, so okay, it's not that good yet. Okay, I forgot to put here class form control, another default function or command for the bootstrap to work. Okay, form control. Okay, that's it. Oh no, let's go back. Control. Okay, control, sorry. Okay, so the button, the button, so what's the name of the button? btn primary. Okay, save. Okay, so that's it. It looks nice now. And to proceed to our database, we're going to the PHP my admin, localhost PHP my admin. Okay, so here I'm going to add database name. Okay, I'm going to create read, then create. Okay, so let's have now a table. I'm going to name it data. Okay, so columns will be 3. Go. Column name will be the ID. It will be primary. Okay, and auto increment. Next, the name, varchar, then the address. So leave the rest. Okay, so let's save this. Valid length. I am sorry, I forgot. Length 100. Okay, let's put also 100. Okay, save. Okay, so that's it. We have a table named data. So it has the ID, name, and address. Okay, let's go back to our visual code or the text editor. Okay, so here we finally made a database, the database for this app. So in order for it to connect to the database, I'm going to separate another file. Okay, I will name it, what would it be? Okay, process PHP. Okay, in order to process our database. Okay, PHP. No. Okay. So I'm going to put here this server name. Server name is equal to localhost. Then the username will be root. It's the default name, I guess. The password. Okay, so I use amps for the for our server. Okay, so it has a default password, which is the MySQL. And lastly, our database name. Okay, so the name of our database is the create read, right? Okay, so that's it. Okay, so I'm going to put a variable named con, short for connection. So my SQLi, the server name, name, username, password, and the DB name or the database name. So I'm going to put here to connect, to check connection. Okay, so here this step will be putting data into database. Okay. Is set. save. So save, it's the name of our button. Yeah, yeah, here, save. So it will going to function if we're going to click the button. Okay, here. Okay, and then name, which is the name that will going to that will be inputted by the user. Okay, also the address. No, address. And now we're going to use the insert into. Okay, con query. So insert into data, which is the name of our table. Address, values, okay, the name, name, okay, and address, and I'm going to put here for the error. Con error. Okay, that's it. Okay, now let's try it if it will work. So let's save this, go back to our browser. Okay, refresh, and then we're going to input Norman. Okay, from Anakan. So Anakan is my address. Save. So it was saved. I'm going to look at here. Okay, the data. Oh, wait. Alright, I forgot to put the require. Sorry, my bad. Okay. PH. So require once. It is program. The name of the file, so which is the process.php. Okay, php, and then don't forget the semicolon. Save, and then here also in the action process.php. Okay, let's save. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, there's nothing here. Okay, let's input it again. Anakan. Okay, save. So yes, okay, we see it, the Norman from Anakan. So it's here. So the IB, it's auto increment. It will automatically add. Okay, so let's go back to our text editor. Okay, let's done with the creating a data or putting our inputted data to our database. So let's work with the retrieving the data na naman. So retrieving or showing the result, what is the data inputted in our database. Okay, here. Okay, let's add another PHP. Okay, PHP. So I'm just going to copy this. Connection. Okay. 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 Or to connect. Then also to show the result. So what would be the command for it? Oh, result. Okay, I'm just going to put a variable result so that would be easy to understand, and the con, which is the connection variable. Query okay, so let's use the another what we call this function, I don't know, just like this. So if we're going to input file, we will use the insert into. So if we are going to show the results or to retrieve the data, so let's use select from or select all from database, or so select from the data, select all from data. Okay, that's it. And or die. Okay, that's it. So okay, I'm going to have a separate PHP, what we call this, so I've seen in the internet some kind of default. Oh no, I don't know if it's a default. It's like it's a function in order to print the data or the array data of our database. Okay, so I'm going to put here to print for us to identify. Okay, to print, this will be the function pre-r array, no variable array. Okay, echo pre. Okay, so here print array and echo pre. Okay, that's it. Okay, this time let's have here div. It would be for our table. Yes, so I'm going to use this again. Okay, justify content center. Okay, so inside here will be the table. And tr table row and our th table head. Am I right? Name and the address. Okay, so let's put class in this table. Class table. So it's the default command for this Bootstrap version, I guess. Okay. Okay, so I forgot to put the head. The head. I'm just going to move this. And okay, I'm sorry. That's it. Okay, under the T head, let's put here the this kind of function. No, sorry. Okay, so it's going to let us use while loop. Why did I use while loop? So it is it will be required to use while loop because the user will not going to input only one person or the one address, right? So while loop will work with the showing the result again and again after the user input the data. Okay, so while what? So let's name it row. While rows the result. Okay. Fetch sock. Fetch a sock rather. Okay. Okay, sorry. Okay, tr table row. td. Okay, let's put here php. Okay, let's echo. Okay, the name. So I'm just going to copy this. Oh no, I forgot the semicolon. Sorry. Copy this, paste, and then change it to address. Okay. And another PHP for the while to end. So end while. I mean for the loop, while loop to end. Okay, so that's it. Okay, let's try it. Save this and go back to our data. Refresh. Okay, continue. Oh, so I inputted already. Yes. So that's it. We inputted already, and that's why it shows already. Okay, so that's it. Okay, let's do that again. So I'm going to put here Mark Barangay 18A. Okay, save. So and then let's go back to our index. Now we see this Mark Barangay 18A. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you so much everyone. So this is it. line of codes, the process.php. Okay, thank you so much everyone, and that's it.